International Institute for Central Asia hosted a meeting with the Chinese ambassador to Uzbekistan, Mr. Yu Jun. The Chinese embassy presented scientific research literature to the library of the institute. The event was attended by researchers of the institute, diplomats of the Chinese embassy, as well as media outlets.
In his opening remarks, the director of the institute, Javlon Vahobov, expressed gratitude to the Chinese embassy for donating a large collection of books on the history and modern era of China. It was noted that these literatures will enrich the library of the institute and will be great help for researchers who are constantly studying the unique experience of China, the priority areas of the country's modernization, and the active participation of the country in the world, including cooperation with the countries of Central Asia. In turn, the Chinese ambassador, Mr. Yu Jun, expressed his hope that the books donated to the institute will serve to deepen knowledge about Chinese modernization, socio-economic development and public administration. As part of the event, the two sides also exchanged commemorative gifts, showing the mutual respect and friendship. We presented these books to the Institute as part of our good tradition. The Institute is now developing research in the Chinese direction, and we will provide the necessary assistance to help them understand the situation in China. We believe that China is always willing to share its experience in development. Last year, our cooperation yielded positive results, and Chinese investments ranked first. It is essential for us to understand what is happening in Uzbekistan as well, why the country is developing dynamically, and what joint opportunities exist. The meeting also exchanged views on the future collaboration with think tanks of China, including holding joint conferences and roundtables dedicated to discussing the prospects for deepening the strategic partnership and mutual cooperation between the two countries on regional and international issues.
We will pave the way for furthering the cooperation between think tanks and institutions that are dealing with research and development issues. Another dimension of our bilateral cooperation is the sphere of education. Many Uzbek young people are currently studying abroad, and likewise Chinese young people are willing to study here in Uzbekistan in its leading institutions that also make a huge contribution into the development of human potential, in furthering close ties between our young generation.
Overall, the parties expressed hope for further improvement of scientific research in 2025, as well as continued successful cooperation in the field of regional research and academic exchange.